Hey you guys, what's up? It's EBONEE, I'm with Antics, and I'm here to show you a quick tutorial on how to do a butterfly. This is an awesome cool trick that you can practice. It's not too difficult, and it looks really impressive. It also transitions into a bunch of other amazing cool tricks that you can advance to. So I'm going to show you the butterfly as a lefty, and I also show you the other direction. I'm starting to the back, that way you can see the visual coming forward from the front. My legs are apart, they're in second position. I am going to lean down into my deep plie. That way I can jump off of the leg the direction I'm going. My arms reach up and swing up right in front of me. So the motion is going down, up, and swing. Your chest is really important, and it's important for the visual that you drop your chest and then pop it up. Looks a little something like this. That is a butterfly. So what's happening is when I'm in the air, the goal is to have both of my arms out, reaching and extended, my chest up, and both of my legs out, so my body's in an X position. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop, up, 3, and 4. There's a huge swinging motion that goes up, down, and up. I'll show you the other direction. This is for my people starting with their right leg, leading and traveling to the right. Going down, reaching up. The leg that's coming up first now is my left. I lead with my right, kick my left, kick my right, land back down into a deep second position, and stand. Let's try it on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, you guys, that's the butterfly. That's the most basic version. Remember to use your deep plie to get some power, and don't be afraid to really reach your chest forward, swing your arms. Good luck and have fun.